BC9303 series LED explosion-proof platform light. Hazardous gas Zone 1 and Zone 2, dangerous dust Zone 21 and Zone 22. Compact low-profile design, flexible mounting options. High transmittance crystal toughened glass lens, impact resistance 4 joule, American Cree LED light source, wattage is from 30 to 80. Die-cast aluminum body, robust construction, excellent heat dissipation, triple layer protection, e-coating and dust layer ponder, reflector-based optics, high lumen output and efficacy, glare-free uniform lighting. IP66 water vapor dust-proof, corrosion-free electronics, high-pressure washable. Equipment platform, workshop, channel, pipeline, joint station, transfer station, pump valve shed, tank, plank road, warehouse room, and other places. ATEX, CE, CNEX approved.